What you fishing for?
I want to shout out to my dude with the lace-up tattoo right there. You motherfucking man. Oh my God, with the show right here. Oh my God, thank you, Lace Man. I want to say that I have to pee really badly. There is no bathroom breaks in the region. There is none. So right now, I want to take it back to some of my old stuff before we get into anything, man. Wait a minute. This is my best friend. This is Slim Jeans. Make some noise for Slim. What's up, best friend? He doesn't rap or do anything.
Holy shit!
The other day.
Holy shit, dude!
He has such a beautiful voice. I just want him to sing it and you just hear it. It's awesome.
Holy, I think I'm fucking back, dude. I'm getting dizzy. Shit's getting too reckless. Shit's getting too reckless.
Give it to him, dude.
Hey, wait.
Oh my God, your voice is so fucking good. Keep going. It's so good.
I'm moving back into
Cause we grinding until the sun down. Forgot how to walk and now we run town. I promise I'm down, I'm leaving on the sun and I don't know if I'll be coming home. Put your hands up, put your hands up. The